Hello everyone. If your Hiseeu camera is not working properly or showing the issues like offline status, no video or connection problem, then this video will show you the most effective fixes that you can try in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your camera is always powered on. You need to check if the LED indicator is on or blinking. If it is off, you just have to first of all unplug your camera. After that, unplugging it, you just have to wait for at least 10 seconds and then you need to plug it back in. If you are using a battery powered model, just make sure that it is charged. Now, most of the issues happen due to the weak or the incorrect Wi-Fi. So you need to make sure that the camera is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. You can go to the application and check for the connection status. Also, you need to ensure that you are using the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as the Hiseeu cameras do not support the 5 gigahertz network. You need to keep the camera close to the router during the setup. If the camera shows offline, you just have to do nothing but to just reconnect it. For that, you need to open the Hiseeu camera application. Afterwards, click on the option of the plus icon or add device. After selecting it, you just have to simply select your camera and then follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically set it up again. Now, a reset can also fix most of the hidden issues. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button on the camera for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a beep or until you see the flashing light. Once you see that, you just have to simply release the button and wait for it to restart. After that, you need to add it again using the application. So these are some of the troubleshooting methods that are going to help you any of the problems that you are facing with the Hiseeu camera. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.